Well, hello everybody and welcome to a new video by Lord Brindley. Yesterday we had a disaster. We came home to the news that the cross trainer had broken. Trusty old cross trainer. I'll just show you what the problem was. So this flimsy little bracket here, which I've had to crudely weld together. That fits on here, and the arm comes down and connects it together. That bracket fits on that bolt that sticks out here, and let's see what I can show you. Really weak point on the machine. I've emailed the company to see if they can supply me with a new bracket, but I'm not holding my hopes up. So it was a big problem when I came home yesterday. The wife wasn't best impressed. This is the machine. Just be aware if you are buying this machine, this is a weak point on it. Luckily it wasn't me that was using it at the time. I'll just show you when it's back together. Yeah, we'll just bolt this back together. So I've refitted it to the upright here. It's not the prettiest of welding, but so I'm trying to get a new bracket off the company. This is an Strider BE5920. It is quite a nice machine, but just bear in mind that this is a weak point, and we'll just put it together now and see if it works. Just bear with me. Oops, easy. So if the other side doesn't break this evening. Bit of play in that. Does look promising. Happy days. Excellent. That's an easy repair then. Well, thanks everybody for watching, and as I say, this is a weak point on these machines, so just bear in mind if you're buying one. We've had this one for about 7 years, so not doing too badly. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.